What's up, everybody? It's Noah from Mad Vapes of Belmont, and I'm actually here with my first juice review of the new store. And I'd actually like to go ahead and say this. In Lincoln, we never carried Air Factory, and I'm kind of mad we didn't because the stuff's fantastic. Didn't really know what I was missing out on until we got it here. But I can honestly say Air Factory has probably became one of my favorite juice lines up like burst. But yeah, 4 flavors in the Air Factory line. We also carry the Treat Factory. I'm probably going to go over that in a different video, just because I can, I guess, really. But yeah, start off with my personal favorite. I actually already bought a bottle of this. This is the Blue Raspberry. It's super sour, to me anyway. I really like it. It's really, really good. Then you have Wild Apple, not green apple, not sour apple. But it's just a good green apple, not very sour at all. Fantastic juice. Up next, we got Strawberry Kiwi. Strawberry Kiwi is probably my second favorite out of the line. But enough of that. And then finally, Mystery. This is like a mystery airhead, basically. I'm not going to lie, I never really knew what that was supposed to taste like, but all I know is this tastes really good. So I'm just going to go with that. But yeah, this is the Air Factory line. Come in, check them out. We got the 100 mils. Don't forget, we've got buy 2, get 1, all premium juices this weekend. And that's going to end on Easter 4/1/2018. This is Noah from Mad Vapes of Belmont. We'll see y'all guys next time.